Hi, welcome to IT Literate, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can create 3D cinematic video like this. Let me play. Alright, I created all these using Wondershare Filmora editor, Filmora 12, and this software is actually good for video editing, and you can actually get it for free by going to Filmora website, and then you can get them. So if you have Filmora software installed on your system, let's get started. Well, the footages are used and the sound are used, I'm going to provide it for free. That is, just check out the description below, and then you can actually download the video, the footages, and as well the audio. But remember to like the video. So without much ado, let us get started. So what we are gonna do right now is that I'm going to actually delete this particular work that I've already created, okay, and then we are going to start all over again. Once again, remember to like and as well you subscribe to this channel. All right, the very first thing we are going to do is to actually introduce the text. That is, where we get this text is actually very important. Now in Filmora there are a lot of precepts, and this precept actually helps in order to actually get job done at a very fast pace. So click on titles, and then after you click on titles, you make sure that you are connected to the internet. And that is, you must make sure your internet is enabled, and then what you're going to do is to click on this particular title, and then you are going to see a lot of 3D titles in there. So by the time you click on titles, just come down to 3D titles, and then under these 3D titles, just come down and you will see the 3D cinematic one that I actually use. So here it is. I use 3D meta title 02. So I've already downloaded it, okay, but if you are not download, you will see download here. Just click on it, and it's going to download. So by the time you download, you are going to insert it inside the timeline, and by the time you insert inside the timeline and then you play, you will see the actual preset. Here you can see that it is a cinematic background. Okay, now all I'm going to do is we are going to edit this text, and then to this particular one that is here to watched out. Okay, so that is what we're going to do. So you double click on it, and then you can actually come to this place, and you type watch out. Watch out. So I think I'm actually right. So what you're gonna do is you can increase it in order to fill the screen, but you make sure that it's not outside the border. Okay, okay, I'm going to Control Z here. So make sure you click on the image, and then you drag it to the center of the screen. So here it is. You can see if I take it back again and I play watch out, and then that is that. Now for the sound, like I said before, check the description below in order to download the sound. For the sound, I actually have the sound here, and the sound is thunderstorm anodate, and it's actually free, and you can actually make use of it, and just drag it to the beginning. And then that is that about the sound, and let's play. Now if this thing is actually hanging, you actually need to what is it called, you have to render the preview. Okay, just click on render preview, and then it's going to take some little minute, and then you can see it's going to like 175, and then the preview will be very smooth. And then if I play from the beginning, you can see that the preview is actually smooth. So now I'm actually done with this. So what you're going to do again is to, you can easily right click on this title. Now okay, not now, let's see the next one. After watched out, we have the uh the footage of a priest. So here is the footage of the priest. You can actually download it from the description below. Just input the footage of the priest there and then you play, and then it's not going to play everything. Sorry. So you can actually split it, and then by the time you split, just delete this word, and then you now paste this one that will actually copy. Okay, and then at this particular place you can see the next one after the priest, that is 4. So come back to this place again, and then you double click, and then you type 4. So I'm okay with this design. Okay, and then the next one is we import the next footage, and that is the priest inside the church. So I have the priest inside the church here. You drag it down again to this particular place, and then you play. Now depending on your preference on what you want to do, I'm okay with this. So I'm going to click on it and split, and I swear delete this one, so I can actually copy this text again, okay, and paste it at this particular side. You get it? So that I'll be able to see the next editing. So that is season 2. So at this place you just double click again, and then you type season 2. That is season 2. So, and then another one is after season 2 we have another footage again, that is holding a rosary. Like I said before, you can get all this by the description below, so that you can actually make use of it by the time you are doing your own editing. So at this page, just click on 1270 by 720, and then give it some little minute or seconds, cut it again, and then you delete, and then you can actually paste since you have already copied, and that one is saying coming soon. Let's check it out again. So that's coming soon. So at this particular place again, you double click, and then you click on coming soon. So you click on coming soon, and then I'm okay with that. And then you see that it's hanging again, you can still click on preview, and then it's going to preview it for smooth playback. Okay, so waiting for the preview to finish. So by the time the preview finishes, we are going to actually put the black bar. Okay, I'm so sure that you did not really discover it. You can see that there is a black bar at this particular place. So here in Filmora 12, I'm gonna show you how you can actually add a black bar inside Filmora 12. So it has already preview finished, and then here this is the end of it, and then we are going to cut these particular songs because it's more than this 40 seconds. So split it, and then you delete the left parts, and then you fade out. Click on it, and then you fade out from this particular place, so that by the time you come to this place, it's going to fade it out from coming soon. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually add a black bar. You know, professional video actually has a black bar. You can see this video, it has a black bar. So how do you do that? What you're gonna do is just click on title, and then you click on plain text. So download this particular plain text. So by the time you download this plain text, just drag it to the top. Of course, it's going to block. Okay, it's not even blocking your work. Now right click, and then you click on edit, advanced edit. You see, once you click on advanced edit, and you are going to see this particular place. Now just delete this text, delete the text, and you come to shape, and you click on this particular shape. So this particular shape, you are going to change the fill color. You are going to change the fill color into black. So just click on this place, and you click on black. Okay, this is the test. Oh, okay, sorry, you won't be able to. Assuming we have the shape fill, then we can change it. But let's see. It is just like a twerking. Sure, do you understand? So it is just like a twerking, and then that is what I want you to actually note. We want to change this particular text to black. Let me see. Okay, the opacity is not really changing. Let us go down and see. Now at this color fill, rather change it to black. This is where we're actually going. So now you drag this text, you drag it to the top, then you stretch it to the right, and then you go put it here. Just make sure you have the very good dimension. Then the other one also, come to this place again, and then you click on text, and then you change it to black again. Do the following one, and then you drag it to the right, and you take it down. So by the time you play, you will see that the video will has a black bar. So click on apply, and you now drag it. You drag it to the right, that is to the end of the video. So the video is going to have the black bar. Can you see? So if I play from the beginning, you could see that I've recreated a 3D movie animation using Wondershare Filmora 12. So if you love this video, like, comments, and subscribe to this channel, and in the next video going to teach you more and more about your video editing tips. I'm gonna see you in the next video.